if I look back, it's difficult saying haragadi aina being at the getting antana position and a palm of football zikatang urga lakramina sanaram ragadi karitaram gadam hadu it's difficult saying imagine to was ngam de do football is hanam awaba kam talati hadi khuding makse you can forget everything either you call it passion, either you call it love, you know, every day to the life that I practice the one. I just want to carry on this for the rest of my life. I Goromangi Morang team, I Indian team football player amani. Hoji hana sek mai asomgi soroki wamagi manung hoi awang sek mai khunong makale kai hedana dagi horpani pupu hoi baba hoi se akoina 93 hai almost 29 years sigi yumpham akoina lai se akoina ngang loi ori akoi mari makse sigi yumpham makha gi sida akoi dum chan da boy akoi china akoi ka makha asang bo akoi mari ga se loina phamung gi tongan tawga ground floor sida loina school tamba like baba asida loina ground floor sida hana sigi first floor second floor je leramde kona khore tam na sigi first floor hapchilakpa the second floor then kai no ga di khoi loina chawrakpa my privacy ka mong loina ka oirakpani na admain toroga some extent to gibane mi khudi ma kinje definition of a room definition of a house will be different ada khoi na sai kitang space paung gibane na jaga am chaw busno te hadu kitang aphang jaga ja si kitang chaw ya ba chaholaga adum gyan ta na phamna so this is one of favorite place also I pupu se moi satan bo ko matam do pupu na sin number ta ne ada le si o chai khoi gi se chu si ba pupu gi ne yum se the favorite sport I di eventually kitchen have the kind of cha ba lo ne hogol le mo cha na ko dai adagi tum ba chang de mo cha mo chai no thin de dum kan cha na ba tawi khoi yam spend to matam kitchen ji da angang oringedegi khogi lekai sida khogi ahansingna adum sanabu uba adagi imanasing sanabu uba dai sudum yawning bani adum moi matung ilaga adu matam dagi interest se pamba se nungsi ba se develop torkiba my first step to football de adum oini haina aina khalle hojiksu adubu amake hena isada aina sep yamna chawba agi realization se hairagadi tata football academy da aina join toba numit simakta da hadi joining letter ma hand out towe adu joining letter na iramba se welcome to the academy aduga hariba we are very much happy to have you here hai adugi line amri dining singi adu makha tabda irami se within 6 months ida changes natraga improvement laktragadi they have the right to send you back home haiba oh hoi je sida pra tawning bhadang tawr leiba yani habadumadi yaro has very clear aduga tha manga taru pharak pa khoinaga Bihar represent tawna ba khoi sahi age group to chanba khoi mi nipan imana matabagi sub junior national se chatlani haidana khoi je thokching sida matam da ni realize to se akhone ka mai pa ga laktragadi hangi bada soidana khoi gi jaga je mi kana no logini haibagi asumagi even fear is sometimes fear brings the best out of you haibagi can do that after so much of challenges haidi matches after matches semi final final da khoi draw chatlaga penalty counter ga khoina final match thore lai Thama Thani Matum Sakoina 2002 Yahogi Abu Dhabi the Asian Under 17 Championship ki Indian team Hano call up talk posida high bako tournament se hoi mi kuntra manga se kokhalaga journeys Indian team ki journeys amane begin to gibane you are a lucky person in ang tawning pot na mataw phangaga and you and even living sa to depend to labang ngamba or gadi I think you are a very fortunate person sana ba haisidi manung gi thorpo ta ka lai manung gi pamba da ka lai it should be fun first angang pi ba sai manga to da kamaina hoi tactical kamaina lan kamain thoi no taw bi agar kamaina lan chinu ngai ta have to ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ if I don't like what I'm doing then ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯌꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯎꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯗꯦ ꯇꯨ ꯗꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯅ ꯏꯜꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯎꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯆꯔ ꯐꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯏꯖꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯕꯥꯏꯂꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯅꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯒꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯑ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯖ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀ Where there's your family is where your home is. I won't say regrets or not. I think yaw ka hena ka phangjaramadi ka haibase. Growing up the class 10 loibaga hostel changrabnina for the last almost 22 years I yumda later base. Aina moiga lemina base 10 days, 20 days, 15 days in a year. Adagi then aina ka kona loina gyan tana kana di moi luhongba adagi masam sai thabak loina torok matamdo. Aduna akoina home se sometimes moina akoina ai manakta lakpa ai moi manakta chatpa yum je leiba yum hamsi hit nataba dubu where there is a family there is a home because of akogi profession in maram oraka adam akoi se most of the time we are in different cities little time hadi kasi thapta am ore tarani ore normal ni ore we value that so much hadi adugi matam se aduna akoina thabak hadi little time phangbada leminaba chaminaba thapminaba kominaba thabak tominaba everything every little things and we just love it hadi life is a challenge in a way because of our profession because we love it magi flying I guess sanabagi thabak sida dum keno tawni na dubu we find a way